Quotation marks, capturing the essence of dialogue and more. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of English grammar. Today, we're going to focus on a key component of English punctuation, quotation marks. You've probably seen these little symbols before, but do you truly know how to use them? If you're unsure or just need a refresher, you've come to the right place. Firstly, let's address the question, what are quotation marks? Simply put, quotation marks are punctuation marks used in pairs in various forms of writing to set off direct speech, a quotation, or a phrase. In English, they take on two forms, double quotes and single quotes. Now, let's discuss their purpose. Quotation marks have multiple uses in English, such as direct quotations. This is probably the most common use. When you're directly quoting what someone else has said or written, you place their words between quotation marks. For example, she said, "I will join the soccer team." Highlighting unusual terms. If a term or phrase is used in an unconventional way or if it's a newly coined term, it might be enclosed in quotation marks. For example, the impossible task was completed in no time. Indicating titles. Quotation marks are used for the titles of articles, songs, short stories, and other short works. For example, I just read The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe. Irony or sarcasm. Quotation marks can indicate that a word is being used with irony, sarcasm, or some other special sense. For example, oh, I love doing laundry. Depending on the context and geographic region, there are different practices regarding the use of single and double quotation marks. In American English, double quotation marks are typically used to denote speech or a quotation, and single quotation marks are used for a quotation within a quotation. For example, she said, "I love The Catcher in the Rye." In British English, the usage is often the opposite. Single quotation marks are typically used to denote speech or a quotation, and double quotation marks are used for a quotation within a quotation. For example, she said, "I love The Catcher in the Rye." That wraps up our introduction to quotation marks. Remember, these marks are more than just decorative. They're a powerful tool to convey direct speech, highlight terms, indicate titles, and express sarcasm or irony. Now, the next time you come across these punctuation marks, or need to use them, you'll know exactly what to do. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more insights into English grammar. Happy learning!